Breaking news, Nigerians. Wahala don shele. Hey, Nigerians Tinubu legal battle disputing Chicago State University admission records in U.S. court. Now the real problem don start because currently they stalk themselves. Welcome back to Prospect Channels TV. Thank you for coming out here. If you are just joining us, please kindly subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you. Bola Tinubu, Nigeria's president, has appealed to a U.S. court federal judge to disregard records, suggesting that the individual admitted to Chicago State University in the 1970s was a female, as reported by People's Gazette. Tinubu's lawyer, Christopher, raised this argument on his behalf. Tinubu argued against introducing new matters in the ongoing case and noted his opponent, Atiku Abubakar, was attempting to use this issue against him. Justice Jeffrey Gilbert of the United States District Court for the Northern District of Illinois recommended that all parties appear before the court for a hearing. Tinubu's lawyers claim that controversies surrounding its identity were conspiracy theories and not his fault. However, Atiku Abubakar's lawyers disagreed, stating that the hearing should proceed as scheduled. Atiku is seeking subpoenas to obtain records and dispositions from Chicago State University regarding Tinubu's admission and graduation, as conflicting documents have emerged. The case has raised questions about Tinubu's academic history, with certificates displaying different graduation dates and even suggesting a female student with the same name. Elora Daniel, the Chicago State University president, who purportedly signed the 2023 certificate for Tinubu, joined the school long after its alleged graduation. Meanwhile, a U.S. court has adjourned the ruling on a subpoena application for Bola Tinubu's record from Chicago State University after the institution denied knowledge of a certificate the Nigerian president submitted to the country's Electoral Commission (INEC) to run for office. Politics Nigeria reports that the Chicago State University lawyer Michael Hayes told the court that the school was not in a position to authenticate Tinubu's certificate as either fake or genuine. He said that the school's administrators would not be able to clarify the certificate because they just don't know where Tinubu obtained it or how. Hayes also admitted that there were several contradictions in Tinubu's certificate, including the date it was issued and the name of the school present at the same time, People's Gazette reports. Is the diploma authentic or is it a forgery? My client cannot answer yes to either of these questions, Mr. Hayes said at the hearing in Chicago in the lawsuit brought by Atiku Abubakar, Mr. Tinubu's main challenger and the candidate of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) during the February 25th presidential election. Atiku Abubakar filed the suit to compel the Chicago State University to produce records relating to Tinubu and make a top officials available for disposition to clarify the produced records. Abubakar's lawyer said the documents and the positions are being sought for used in the Nigerian Supreme Court, where the final battle over Tinubu's election is now headed. Alexandra D. Grammont, who appealed in court for Mr. Atiku, said, "Your Honor, we don't know whether the Nigerian Supreme Court would be receptive to the new evidence or not, but just we want to be able to present the new evidence to them from Chicago State University." Okay, Mr. D. Garamot said, "We already have them, the documents. What we are seeking is Chicago State University's authentication of their explanation for some of the discrepancies." Tinubu's lawyers, represented via telephone conference by Christopher, said Abubakar was on a fishing expedition, and they noted that the previous statement of the Chicago State University, the effect that Tinubu graduated from the school, were enough. Gliba said there were no need to produce further evidence or place the school's officials under oath to speak to the authenticity of the Tinubu certificate. He said the proceedings would only fuel online truth because the Supreme Court won't accept the new evidence, even it proceeded. So guys, you've all heard it now. I'm dropping it here. Kindly share your thoughts below the comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not. Thank you.